still allowed and widely used in lots of products. Maybe that's why nearly 10,000 Americans die each year from asbestos-related diseases. That's nearly 30 people every day who lose their lives to asbestos. Thousands of American workers have been exposed to asbestos. Sometimes workers are never told about the exposure. They don't find out they were exposed to asbestos until they get sick. Other workers knew they were working with asbestos, but weren't aware that their inadequate safety equipment failed until decades later when they were diagnosed with an asbestos-related illness. Exposure to asbestos is the only known cause of mesothelioma, a deadly lung disease. In fact, asbestos is so toxic, it even puts the families of exposed workers at risk. Asbestos can come home on the clothing of workers and cause secondhand exposure to their loved ones, which can ultimately lead to all of the same illnesses. And it isn't just the workplace. Asbestos has been found in thousands of consumer products as well. One recent study found asbestos fibers in duct tape, spackle, sealant, even toys. Manufacturers have known for 80 years that asbestos is deadly. Instead of trying to fix the problem, they spent decades suppressing reports that expose the dangers. They've fought every attempt to ban or limit asbestos use. Even today, they're trying to look for ways to duck responsibilities for asbestos injuries. You shouldn't have to pay for corporate negligence. Our legal team helps asbestos victims and their families get the compensation they deserve. We may be able to help you even if your employer or the manufacturer has gone out of business. If you've been hurt by asbestos, call us.